$1 million man safe in our hands. To get his wife some more. Catch two birds with one stone.
Who shall so loud? Someone will come. Someone will hear you. Yeah, everybody check the window.
Ah, shut the hell up, Wani. This is miles from anywhere.
Then he told him we saw Rahim also. Told him it was a good time to get there.
And I have the idea to make a phone call to get that person out of the way.
You had the idea. Now that it's gone round, we can take some credit, right? You two black-faced dogs and you wet-mouthed little boy. Without me, you three are nothing! You cannot even steal coins from the beggar who has no legs. You, Achai, you think you're so smart. Why don't you go outside and try to get on your own? Would you like to get out of mine?
No, brother, no.
Akao, you think you're so clever. You think you're too clever to do many things. Maybe you two brothers think you can be number one around here.
No, brother, no. You're the boss. You're a big brother.
Tofu, don't get angry. You are the leader. You are the boss. All of us know.
I knew it's fastest one of the lot of you. I am the leader. I am the boss. Listen to me and you can live long. Times are really changing. Just switch on the news and see what a good job we young people are doing in London. We young people now show this whole house how things are done. They take our lives, take our jobs, take our money, and they think they can live off us. Pui! My two little babies have been sleeping for so long. Their families are starting to worry about them. Break them up!
Hey, Rahim, wake up lah. Sleep so long. Think of what day is this? Sleep.
Hey, old man, you shut up and do what I have for you to do. Then you have got a chance to go and see your family again. Now I'm going to call your daughter, and you're going to have to tell her to pay $500,000 if she wants to see your face again.
The only thing I will tell her is not to pay any ransom for me.
Are you not afraid to die?
We are not afraid to die. We are old.
Hey, the wife's with her husband, but you may be afraid of pain. So cut out your beautiful beautiful fingers and send them to your family as presents.
You know what? Because I go today, and your tongue tomorrow. Cut up all your skin.
Shut up! Who gave you Rex permission to talk? You talk very big, old lady. Maybe you have just woken up. Maybe you have not time to think. There is no hurry. It is good. Let your family worry. I'll give you 1 hour to think about it. Then, if you still won't do as I say, I'll let Aka play with you.
My little sharp knife, Mr. and Mrs. Rahim. I will show you tricks with my little sharp knife.
Hey, this is too much. Should I hurt old people like that?
I'm going to sleep now. Think it over, Rahim. Your wife is very brave, but I don't know how much pain she can take. If you change your mind, feel free to call me.
Sayang, don't worry.
I know, I'm not afraid. Hey, you're not help us ah. We'll do, we start to play with you. You go back, and you go cry. You should be begging us to take your money, and let you go.
Hey, you must not talk like that. Tofu will not like it. At first, I didn't want to join this plan. I say, it's okay to steal money from shop and to raid houses and to take an old man out of the house is too bad. No, Tofu say, do not be hurt and we'll treat them up and send them home again. And that is what Tofu said. So, you must all listen to him.
Come, we have something. This big strong mood is a big soft heart.
Hey, old fool, are you cooperating with us and enjoy the last few years of your life?
No.
Hey, what a great old fool to clean so hard onto his money. What's the point of holding on to your money? Can you drink or dance? Can you drive fast car? Can you go out with beautiful young ladies? And you, old woman, what's the point of holding on to your money?
As I'm old, I have nothing much to lose except my pride. As we are not afraid, we are free. You are captive of fear every moment in your life. You are never at peace.
Who said I'm afraid?
You are afraid. You dare not go out of this house in case someone should say he has seen you together. You dare not stay in this house for too long in case someone should say you have been seen in your usual places. You dare not keep us long in case you are discovered. You dare not let us go in case we give you away. Well, even if you kill us, you will not be safe from the police will be still hunting for you. You will sit here like rats in a rotten house about to be torn down while the nets come closer and closer around. Closer and closer to trap you. You are afraid and you should be. For when you are caught, The punishment for kidnapping is death. I can die this week or this year. We can both die very soon. But when I look at you, I see 3 dead men.
Please shut up!
You are young. It's time for a young man to die. A man who has made one mistake, they take him away, take him into a little room and tie a rope around his neck.
I don't die!
No, Ajay. Rafu has planned everything. He's got everything under control.
The risk too great. I'm young. 50, 60 years of my life, I may lose. I was a fool to join you. If they caught me, they'll hang me to death.
Don't be a fool. I'm telling you, Rafu has planned everything. Everything will be alright.
I'm not part of this anymore. Okay, I'm a share of myself. I get out of here.
Stop him! Stop him! Hey, stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Your leader should be pleased. You should get the share of this boy's money.
Oh, the noise! I tried.
Ajay was scared. He wanted to run away. I stopped him. I killed him.
Who wanted to kill him?
He was trying to run away.
He is my man. And you can stop him.
I could have stopped him. I would have let him.
But he would have given us away. He might have gone to the police. We all would have got caught. We just wanted to watch your back for you, you know.
So?
You know what people say? What's his name? Moshe. What about Ajay's share of the ransom money?
His share, I will keep.
What? We were the ones who stopped him. We should get part of the share too, right?
You two still have make noise, huh? You two still have make noise, right?
No.
Achai is my man. Okay? Less man, more share. You kill him to get his share of the money. Silly young boy. And you take him inside. How have our guests been getting on? Have you been thinking about your conversation?
Yes, I've been thinking.
Then, you do as I say.
No, I will not do as what you say. What I will do is, I will not get bullied by a shouting, cowardly second-rate crew. What's that?
Go on, shout some more. I'm no more afraid of you than your own men are.
Want to die first already? Okay!
Don't kill her! You will cut her with the money!
So Akam, now you go against me. You start to tell me what I should do. So now you're not afraid of me, right? So I knew. Now you turn against me.